Hello everyone, welcome to another edition of Excel Weekend. Today we will analyze many pairs for you so you can prepare for the upcoming week and be ready to catch many good trades. This edition will be different from usual. We will analyze the charts from zero. As you can see, nothing is marked on my chart. We will analyze it from zero, so you can understand how I analyze the chart and what I'm looking for. First of all, I want to start with saying that I believe that the US dollar will be bearish very soon. I believe that inflation is going up, so the US dollar will lose value during the month of September. With that being said, we are on EURUSD. We will go to the daily chart to start with our analysis, or also to the weekly chart in order to analyze the main key levels. First of all, I want to go to the line chart in order to find some good key levels. As you can see, we can see this nice level right here. Of course, let's see right here also. And this is where we are trading at the moment. If we drop to the daily, we can see that we are clearly in this pattern right here. And this looks like a head and shoulders actually, but we will need to check. Well, now let's move to the candles. It looks less like an head and shoulders if we are in the candles, but right now here is what we have. So at the moment, what I'm looking for is a clear breakout of either upside or downside. To the upside, we have this resistance, and to the downside, we have this support. Of course, we will need to drop to lower time frames in order to look for confirmation. In this case, let's move to the right place, right here. At the moment, we could start looking for some buys at this level. I would be bullish on EURUSD because I believe that the US dollar is losing value. Together with that, we have confidence that we are at support and also at this trend line, which is an uptrend. I know that we are trading in between this channel, but overall, I believe that a buy position could be entered very soon if I see the right confirmation. So we are waiting on that. I hope that you like this analysis from zero so you understand how I analyze the charts. Of course, for more in-depth analysis and for my strategies, I teach that on my courses, and unfortunately, I cannot give them out for free here on YouTube. So if you want, you can go check out my Forex course. Next pair is GBPUSD. Let's go still in the weekly line chart right here. And as you can see, here is our nice resistance. Then after that, of course, we can spot some others. Maybe let's see what we have. Let's go back a little bit. Of course, from here. And also probably this one, but we are not going to pop that one already. So let's drop to daily now. The daily chart, we can see some very choppy movements right here. We consolidated a long time, and let's see if on the candlestick chart we can see a fake breakout, and then we put back to the downside, finding these demand areas. So we started going to the upside again. At the moment, we are clearly in an uptrend, so we don't want to go against the trend. As you can see, we are clearly in this uptrend, and we just rejected that. So if I see confirmation, of course, I will start looking for some buys from here. Something like this would be perfect to take profit to the next, and take profit to the next resistance. So we have to check where the next resistance is, and stop loss below this candle right here. So that would be something nice, but I will wait for confirmation. We don't want to enter the trades right away. Another interesting pair for the upcoming week is GBPJPY. Let's go check it out together. GBPJPY, here we have it. Without going to the line chart, we can clearly see that right here we actually had this nice break and retest pattern with this very nice pin bar right here, which rejected our demand zone, and right now we started to go to the upside again. Overall, we are in an uptrend, as you can see, and we cannot deny that. So we might be bullish on GBPJPY too. Of course, like I always say, I might switch my bias if I see different indicators, different price action during the week, because I don't enter the trades right away. I wait a little bit, and if I see that we start a bearish movement during Monday, then I will switch my analysis, of course. It is very important to be open-minded and be ready to change your opinion in order to follow the trades. Let's see what we have other than this. We probably have, for example, let's move on to AUD/USD. If I have it, yeah, right here. Higher time frames, 1 week, line chart, and of course we can see a clear trend right here. Fake out right here, creating a double top. So this is a very nice support and resistance areas. And right now we are in this uptrend. So I will drop to the daily chart. And as you can see, we are in this nice uptrend right here, which actually I need to go to the candlestick right here. Nice, okay. So during last week, I remember that I marked an analysis, we were in this pattern right here. We broke above this weekly resistance, as you can see, and we started consolidating a little bit, and finally we had this breakout to the upside. Right now, we had a retracement, and if I drop to the 4 hours, we can identify a nice demand zone right here. Let me put the lines, horizontal line right here. And right here, this was a nice demand zone, and as you can see, we rejected that. This is how big banks trade. They trade with supply and demand, and if you are able to identify this, you will be able to catch some very good trades. Also, make sure to always look for confluence, and these demand areas also correspond to my 0.75 Fibonacci level. So this is a perfect trade. I will look for confirmation during this week, and I am ready to enter a buy on AUD/USD. Let's move on to, let's see, some others. For example, USDCAD. USDCAD weekly chart. Let's start with the weekly. No, sorry, not monthly, weekly. There you go. We can see that we are very close to, actually we are at this support area. We had some fake outs, of course, but we are at this weekly support area. And as you can see, it was rejected already, but we put back, and I will show you better on the candlestick here you go. Here you go, you can see that we rejected this support area. We started pushing to the upside, but didn't last very long, and we actually pushed back to this support area. So at the moment, we rejected this level, as you can see, and we pushed back to the downside. At the moment, I am 100% bearish on USDCAD, even though we are at this very, very strong support area. We have this downtrend right here, and other than that, we have even a bigger downtrend, as you can see. So in this case, I am overall bearish. I don't believe that this support will hold very long. Maybe we will have a retracement to the upside, but I believe that we are headed to the downside because the US dollar is losing value. For this reason, I am waiting for a nice breakout and retest before entering a trade. Let's move on. Highly requested is gold. Gold, as you can see, we are at this nice support, and also we are creating a wedge pattern, but actually I believe that we broke above it and we retested already that level. If we drop maybe to the 1 hour chart, I can show you that, in my opinion, we broke above it. We are retesting this level. At the moment, we are retesting also this one, this downtrend, which was broken above, and then we retested right here. I believe that finally gold is meant to go up. We have been entering buys and closing them in profit for a very long time. At the moment, I am looking for a nice entry because I am long on gold. I believe that we will reach very soon new all-time highs. At the moment, the previous one was at 2074, 75 maybe, but I believe that we will go up a lot beyond that. There are many reasons for that. I covered that on my investing channel. It is because inflation is going up. There is a lot of tension between US and China, and also there is probably going to be another coronavirus crisis. Also, another thing is that bonds have zero interest rate and stocks are really up, so we cannot be, a lot of investors are scared because they believe that there could be some crash, or maybe not a crash, but just some stocks might lose some value. For this reason, when there is a lot of uncertainty, gold goes up, and that's why gold is the safe haven. With that being said, I hope you liked this video analysis, which is different from usual. I actually analyzed everything from zero. And with that being said, if you liked it, let me know in the comments. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. There are many videos coming soon. And also, if you want signals, I have the free channel and also the VIP channel if you want many more signals. So be ready for this week, and see you during the week.